Hi, good afternoon. This afternoon I'm going to make a review of my Porsche Patron Cars promo. First I'm going to show you the 4 cars. So I'm going to start with a black one called the Carrera S, and the blue one, Panamera. This gray one is Cayenne, and the red one is Cayenne S. So let me show you this Carrera S first. Just Carrera S here, and even inside the box it also says Carrera S, and you might want to take a look at the back. I think there's kind of some messy thing here. I don't know what happened to it. It has all the models of the Porsche, and here in the back it shows the back of the car, and the other side is the front. So under it shows how it works. See? Now I'm gonna open it so that I can take it out from the packaging. And by the way, it includes batteries. So this, just put this there. So there's Carrera S, which was new, just bought earlier.
This morning. Just bought this morning.
Just bought it this morning, and it has a pullback action like what I showed you in the box, and it has sounds. See, it has this, lights up even inside, but just a few lights. But in the GT3 RSR, which is the one that I showed you here, the one in the middle, there it has more lights inside. And if you open the doors, it has a horn sound and an alarm. So I like leaving it with the horn sound because it's much better. And it even has a name there under, made in China. So it's in pullback. But if you run it on the ground, it's more faster. So see the chrome mufflers under, and see the rim. It's kind of the same here in the Panamera there, but I know it's much bigger. The rim is much bigger, including the car. But I really don't know why they keep putting the 132 scale, because that means they're all the same scales. But
maybe in real life it's really much bigger. That's why.
Maybe.
I think that's the reason.
So these are the 4 cars, and actually there are 5. Just the GT3 RSR, which I already have. I'm gonna make another review some other time with the GT3 RSR. If you noticed, if you had that kind of model, as you see, the tires, it's more smooth because it's for racing. Well, these 4 cars aren't for racing, but this Cayman looks like it's for racing. It has a good design. So it's this. These 2 cars are powered by turbo diesel, and these 2 cars are powered by Blaze 100. So here it is, the Carrera S. So I'm going to take a review of the next car beside it. So I hope you like this first part of the review. Let's